We're here with Tristan. Got his Jeep here. This actually was my Jeep, and then it was Colby's Jeep, and then my dad shipped it out here to Utah so Tristan could have fun with it too. We are going to take out all the white pieces, and we're gonna replace them and spray paint them with orange. So we're gonna sand them down, make everything kind of match the orange piping that is in this special edition Arctic Jeep. So now we're taking off this part that's around the doors and the steering wheel. The door one takes an Allen wrench. That's what Tristan's doing right now. And then we got to take off the front panels here on the steering wheel, which means we got to disconnect the airbag so it doesn't pop in our face. So that's what I'm gonna do right here. Sorry, not disconnect the airbag, disconnect the battery so the airbag doesn't go off. Hey, it's a fit. So we've got the battery disconnected. I'm going to take off the stuff from around the steering wheel. Tristan's got all of the inside stuff kind of taken care of. Let's show y'all. So we've got all the different vent covers for the standard AC vent, 2 door panels, and then the handle that goes across the front of the passenger side airbag, and then the tweeter covers for the front little speakers in the Jeep. Now I'm going to take off we just got to get the
I think these ones would really pop too.
Oh yeah, that'll look good. Now I just got to take off the airbag one, and then Tristan's got one more of these back speaker covers that he wants to take off. I think that does it. Got the first bolt out, and we're going to try and get the second one here on the other side of the steering wheel.
See, because there's this other screw that I didn't know what it was.
We got most of the inside of the airbag off, but we're having trouble with this one black, we think it's a ground wire. Can't just figure out how to connect it.
Disconnect it.
Yeah, we can't figure out how to disconnect it. We are following a video. It's how to remove and paint JK interior by CJ Off-Road. Ironic. But he didn't show this part, so we thought we would.
If we can figure it out. Just gotta pull hard. And wiggle.
There we go. Now it looks like we've got an Allen wrench. We've just got this multi-tool Allen wrench tool. And take out these 4 main bolts, 2 here, and the 2 over here. And then this whole white piece should lift out, and we'll be able to paint that.
Look like anything's broke. That's good news too.
That's what we like to see.
Alright.
It's a little sketchy. We thought we were breaking it when we pulled it out, so you got to give it a little force, but came out easy and all in one piece. So I think now we paint.
Sand.
Now we sand and then we paint. So we got to sand everything down. We'll put a primer on it to make sure that it'll actually accept the paint and go from there. Alright, so we're done sanding. Just gonna get a air compressor hooked up and so we can blow everything off. This is what they look like after being sanded. The white you can't really tell, it's just kind of a matte finish. Got the speaker covers, the tweeters, all the door panels. And blow it all off and then clean it with some basically heavy duty rubbing alcohol. That's the plan. So after that, actually we'll just go to that point. Clean all the pieces here and then basically that's about it. We'll probably clean them twice. I don't know how many times you want to go over them. And then prime them. We bought some primer. And then this is the orange that it will end up being. Hopefully it'll look good on these pieces.
Dry to the touch in 20 minutes.
So I guess now we wait. Time to paint. Got all the pieces painted. Now we gotta wait an hour.
20 minutes and we'll do the clear coat.
Oh, the clear coat takes an hour. So we got 20 minutes for the paint to dry. And then we'll take this sparkly clear coat. We're gonna add some like sparkle flakes into it. And once we put that on, it'll take an hour. So we'll see you when we put the clear coat on. Clear coat time. This is everything we used to change the color here. We got sandpaper, some primer, whatever paint you want, and then some type of sealer. Make sure if you are gonna do this, it's in a well-ventilated area. The paint and everything says to do it somewhere within 50 degrees. It's like 30 outside, so we have to keep everything closed. Garage is closed, back door is closed. And I can feel it. My head's a little woozy. But try and do it where you can have a ventilated area. You'll see it tomorrow. We just finished all of the painting and everything. Got everything primed. We both think it looks really good. And I'm gonna do a proper little video shoot tomorrow. Yeah, when you can see everything and make the Jeep look good. It's dark right now, or we'd go do it now. So as you can see, we got the, oh, your lens is wet. We got the we got the Jeep all finished. Hope the orange looks good. Hope you guys can tell. We're just gonna head on home and probably find something to eat because we've been snowboarding all day and just got back. And it's about time we head out of here.